In this video, I'll show you how you can add experience on LinkedIn. So it's really simple. Just go to your profile and here choose view profile. Now you need to scroll all the way down to the experience section. So this one. And from here to add a new experience, you need to click on this plus button. And from here to add new experience, you need to click on add position, or you can even add career break. But we want to add experience, so click on this. And from here, you need to fill all these details. So the title, so for example, let's say video editor. That's my new experience. And employment type you can choose. So for example, you can choose freelance or full-time. Then you can type your organization. So for me, it's going to be YouTube. Then you can choose your start date. So let's say April, I don't know, this year. You can also end your current position as content creator at YouTube by checking this box. So this will end your current position as content creator. Then you can choose your location, but I think this is like optional, or location type. You can choose remote, or if you're working on site, just choose on site. You can also add a description. Then you can add skills which are used in this experience. So for example, if I'm video editor, I can add like video editing. Then I can add, let's say, for example, thumbnail design. You can also add a media here. So for example, if you have some kind of, let's say, certificate, you can just upload it from your computer here. Just click apply, and once you have all these things filled, just click on save button, and this is how you can add your experience. You can also post it and to share it with other people, or you can just skip it. And then, as you can see, this is my new experience. You can also see the certificate. Now, if you want to, like, let's say, delete it or customize it, you can just click on this pencil. Then choose your experience and pencil again. And from here you can, let's say, delete it or just change anything you need. And that's all for this video. So if you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.